Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics with the cutest Christmas quilt of the season. This is called Santa Bears. Just adorable. We all know the iconic Santa is already something very near and dear to our heart. It elicits that happy emotion, remembering when we were little ones. Well, teddy bears are also cute, and when you combine that, you go from cute to just adorable. So we have such a special opportunity for you today. This quilt was designed by Coach House. Barb is an amazing designer, and she has made this exclusively for Shabby Fabrics and these amazing Moda fabrics. You have the opportunity right now to reserve this kit. We got some yardage flown in to us, just enough to be able to make the sample quilt and show you your backing option. But that fabric is still coming inbound. So if you're like, okay, where do I sign up? First off, you'll be able to go to the website and do that. But you're making just a $10 deposit because we had to guess at the number of kits, and we made that guess before the quilt was ever made. And now that I'm seeing this in person, I am certain we have underestimated how many people are going to want this incredible, adorable quilt. It will absolutely be your kids, your grandkids, and your favorite of the season. You'll be so excited to bring that out year over year. So when we have a reserve, all you have to do, once you're done with this video, you can head to the website and you'll make a $10 deposit, and that's going toward the cost of your kit. Now, a quilt of this caliber that's all piecing deserves the perfect backing, and we were able to choose a 108-inch backing. That means on the back of this amazing quilt, there'll be no seams. One beautiful red snowflake fabric will be on the back. So to me, that's a no-brainer. And you get to make a $5 deposit toward your backing. And know that when the fabric comes in, we'll bill you for the difference and head that your way. As I mentioned, Santa Bears is all piecing. That is why we have things like this and no real applique elements, right? All patchwork, all piecing. So these are the things that we use to put our project together. Let me just call your attention to the ones that I think are real difference makers in my own personal quilting. And that is right here, actually, the seam guide. We all know that we need specific rulers. We'll just pan over that. There may be something you feel like you need to pick that up, for this project. There wasn't necessarily any specialty rulers, but a variety of sizes of rulers, of course. And good thread, fresh blade in the rotary cutter, patchwork pins, all those things. But for me, the seam guide. Why? Because these things really need to bring, dial into that 1/4 inch so that everything goes together just as it should, not only for this block, but its neighboring blocks and so on and so forth. So all patchwork. If you're a beginner, while this maybe isn't a beginner project, here's the great news. Get this kit anyway. I know what that's like to have passed over kits that I thought were over my head, beyond my skill level at the time. And later on, when I had that skill and I wanted that, those were long gone. So be sure, even if you're a brand new quilter and you fall in love with this, don't let this one pass you by. It's a very unique combination of design, color, Moda fabrics. We all know the caliber and quality of Moda fabrics. So without delay, head to the website now to make a $10 deposit toward your kit, $5 toward this beautiful 108-inch backing, and pick up any notions you might need.